Hi, welcoming all. In this class, we're gonna learn about the how to add the curtain walls and how to add the curtain grids and as well as the mullions, and then let us understand how to reshape the curtain walls and panels and how to embed this into your walls. Okay, so just to understand, I've opened the drawing which we have created in the previous section and in the previous class. So I want to add the curtain wall somewhere here. So in order to add, let me go to the first floor. Okay, so I'll go to the ground floor. I'll go somewhere here. I'll delete this window. Okay, I'll add the curtain walls here. Okay, so in order to add the curtain walls, let me go to the wall section. In the walls we have one is the basic walls, then you have the curtain walls, then has the stacked walls we have already discussed in the previous section. So let us explore the curtains wall in this section. So now let me do one thing. I'll go to the 3D view first. Okay, I'm skipping on the explain. First I'll give you what is the difference between the types of the curtain walls. Okay, I'm just clicking once again the walls. I'm going here in the curtain walls. The first one is the curtain wall. A curtain wall is simply a glass. You can just look at here. So I'm just dragging and dropping here. This is how it looks as the just simple and glass. Maybe I'll do one thing. I'll change the parameters right now. I'll select the base as the constraint as the ground floor, and I'll select the top constraint as the first floor, and then okay, fine. Now just to understand, I have made the height of the wall I made as the till the first floor. Okay, so basically this looks as a simple a glass. Okay, the curtain walls. Okay, next, for example, once again I'm just going back and selecting the exterior glazing. There's a second one. Okay, I'm just selecting this way. Before I'm just making here itself, I'm just selecting the first floor, apply. Now let us draw this way. See, wait, escape. Okay, so the exterior the glazing is includes the panels, and there are different grooves which has the grooves as well as the different panels which are been aligned. There's the simple curtain wall has the simple one glass. Okay, this is the major difference. Okay, so next one is the storefront is the complete package. So once again I'll go to the first floor. This is fine. I'll go here and I'll take this way. Storefront walls. Okay, sorry, I'll complete Control Z, because basically I have changed the property directly itself. I don't want to do that. Let me go back and I'll click on the skip. I'll go to the walls. I'll select the storefront. Okay, I select this way and drop. See, now basically it has the glass and it has the grids and it has the mullions. This is, we call it as the mullions. Okay, this is how there are three different types of the curtain wall. This is simple glass which has the glass with the grids, with the glass with the panels or the separate panels, and the last one is the complete package. Wherever we have the glass, then it has the mullions as well as the grids. So for example, I want to add the mullions for this. Say for example, in order to add the mullions for this exterior glazing, so in order to add, let me go to the architecture tab, go to the mullions, or maybe go to the grids. Maybe if you want, you can just add one more grid. I can add this way. Right, I'll go this way. So this is basically acts as a one segment. Suppose if I select on the entire segment, select this way, right? Look at here, right? See, maybe I'll go and add only for this way, then I add this. I'm just to understanding I'm showing. Okay, so now the grids has been now added. So now I want to add the mullions for this. Okay, this is the customized one. Okay, so let me go to the where is this mullions. There are three options. One is the line grid line segments, or all grids. Say for example, if I select on the all grids, the entire grids whichever this component has, all the place, this is going to apply in a single click. This is how the mullions works. See, look at here, right? The next one, Control Z. Okay, I'll make single line, so the grid line, only the grid line, this line is going to apply. Next is the grid line segment. See, this is individual, you can apply this way. If you want you can just leave, if you want you can do this, right? This is the, there are three types. Basically you can just apply the booleans. Okay, so now let us go back to our projects, and we'll incorporate, or maybe we'll add this storefront curtain walls in our system. Let us add the glazed door here. Let us customize that. Okay, so in order to do that, let me go to the ground floor. Okay, now here the previous I have deleted the window here. So here I just wanted to add the curtain walls. So in order to add the curtain walls, go to curtain walls, select directly the full packaged one, this storefront. I'm selecting here. I'm selecting the ops till for first floor, but I want to give the top offset as minus 6 inches. I don't want to do it till the slab height, so I'm reducing this. I'm selecting from here to here. Okay, now I'm going to the 3D view. So now you can able to notice this is how it looks. So basically I just want to increase the mullions. I want to add few more mullions. So in order to add the few more mullions, you select this, go to the edit tab. You'll have the different parameters you can just change. Yes, the function is exterior is fine. Then joint panel is vertically glazed system. Then joint condition, this is basically, say for example, I do one thing, I click this, not defined. Okay, okay, now you can this is, I'll show you once again. I'll go here, edit, then the horizontal grid continuous. As of now the horizontal grids are break. Okay, I'll show this. Horizontal grids are continuous. See, the vertical grids are breaking. Then it has the vertical grids are continuous, the horizontals are breaking. So this is how it looks. So the maximum spacing, the vertical layout, I'll keep simply as around 3 feet, just to show the the vertical. The horizontal I'll keep as the I think 4 feet. Okay, then I'll click on the apply. Okay, now the number of grids is going to add. It is this is how it's going to add. Now I want to add the one of the glass some door somewhere here. So in order to add the glass door, basically we want to edit this curtain wall. So in order to edit the curtain wall, what I have to do? Again, I'm just need to go here, use the tab in the system, or tab key in the keypad, and then you type this. So you select this, and you make sure the unpin and delete. Then again I want to add the entire, for this particular area I want to add the door, the glazed door. Okay, so here as well I unpin this and I'll delete. Here as well I unpin this and delete, unpin, delete. So now I want to delete first. There's an option is called I want to remove the grid lines. I just wanted to make to the entire one single panel. So in order to make this, I'm selecting this way. You have the remove or add or remove segments. Okay, now you can say, now I'm clicking this. I want to remove the segments in between here, or maybe the grids. I'm removing here, as well as the, sorry, once again I'm selecting this, removing. Okay, then again I'm selecting this, removing this. Okay, okay, then at the same way, yeah. So now you select the different this entire panel. Now go to the same, you click on the tab, and with the help of the tab you select the single individual. Now I think I forgot to add the one more, remove this as well. Okay, now the grids, completely the grids has been removed. Now you select the entire, this is becomes as a one single panel right now. So I'm just, with the help of the tab, I'm selecting this, selecting the glass, sometimes it becomes very tough. Yeah, now unpin this. Okay, after unpinning this, you go to the insert, load family. The you want to load the family, which the basically the door I want to add. I'll go to the doors. This is an curtain door, curtain wall type doors. Maybe I'll select the first one. I'll add this one, door, double door storefront. Okay, and again I'll go back here. I select this. I select the glass. I go here, add the double door. I mean the door curtain wall, double door, double storefront. I'll click on this. Now you can able to notice the door has been added. This is how the curtain walls or maybe the curtain wall system you can just create if you want. I don't think I select this particular element with the help of tab. I'm selecting, I'm skipping, deleting. First you unpin, delete. Sorry, it doesn't work. I'll cancel this. It's not deleting. Okay, it's fine. So this is how the basically you can just create the the doors. You can just insert the into the curtain walls, and it looks how basically the glass, the curtain wall system, it can be taken into the consideration while you are designing the buildings. Say for example, one more feature I just wanted to say. As of now I'm rotating this way, the entire sheet is rotating. Say for example, if I go to the sheet, let me go one thing. Do I have sheet this? Yeah, this sheet I'm already having. Okay, now I think I'll go to the 3D view. Go this. Where is the views? Where is the views? 3D views. Okay, I select this. I move somewhere here. I am moving this. I'm moving somewhere here. And here, this as well I'm moving. Okay, now I'll go to the sheet now, how it looks. It's still looking, it's okay. Now I'll go to the 3D view. Okay, basically as of now I can able to rotate this way. Okay, so in order to I want to lock this the rotating option in the 3D. How to do this? So basically you have the option called here. See, basically you can have this option, this home with the lock, or maybe the 3D with the lock. There is icon is available here. You can just go here, save orientation and lock view. It asks me that which the view or it want you to rename this. You can simply ask the view 1. I simply rename this. Okay, now I'm trying to move this way. Now it's showing the the error as this command is disabled while the view is locked. This is how it's one of the useful tricks that we can just use in the Revit, especially in the 3D view. So now again you can just unlock the view, and now I can just rotate. See, right? So hope you understood how to do these kinds of curtain walls, and you can just add or embed these kinds of doors. Maybe you can just add the same doors as well. Maybe I'll show you one more feature. I'm just going here, I'm selecting this one of the storefront, and I'll go to the edit type. Here you can just change the different materials as well. Say for example, as of now the curtain panel is selected as the system panel as a glaze. Say for example, I'm just selecting different materials are available. You can just select whichever the materials you want. Maybe I select simply 150 mm wall. See here, this is available. Or maybe I just go here, I select the concrete, generic, the 300 mm masonry. I select as a 300 mm concrete. Let me see. Okay. Now, say for example, when you have the different kinds of these kinds of elevation purpose, you have the feature wall on the outside, or maybe the architectural purpose, you want to showcase some particular wall, then definitely you can use this feature. Okay, now you want to add some materials to this. You simply add the materials, select the shortcut PT paint. maybe I select the some of the wood door frame slash. I select this. No, it doesn't look good. Maybe I'll add the cherry. Maybe I'll add the door frame. I add the maybe it's fine. Now you can just add these kinds of materials, is whichever the materials you want. Leathering wood, right? This is how you can just add the color palettes or this kind system. I mean the painting system you can add, and you can just showcase in the designs here, right? Then if you want, or maybe I'll add the cherry, the copper, I'll add the earth, I'll add the door panel. Yeah, right, you can just look at here, door panel. I can add this way, I can add this, see, okay, this is how you can just change this material. As of now it's selected as the solid, as the concrete panel, so now I select it and it is showcasing this way. You can just do this, right? Okay, and the same time, whichever the dimension, I mean the pattern you want to showcase in the drawing, you can just easily you can add this. Okay, this is one of the feature that has the curtain walls, and you can do the same. So hope you understood the concept. Let's explore yourself and you'll understand much, and you try to do it with yourself with the different parameters and different projects, and you embed these kinds of curtain wall into your system. You'll understand much. Yes, let's catch up with the next module.